In this video, I'm going to be telling you a few replacements that you can use in your daily conversation. If you want to say I'm sorry, you can say my apologies, I made a mistake. Or in a professional way or in a formal way, you can say I sincerely apologize for my behavior, for my action, or for the trouble that I have caused. If you want to say I am happy, there are many ways to say I am happy. You can say I am delighted, I am ecstatic, I am glad, I am elated, I am joyful. If you want to say thank you, you can say I am eternally grateful, I am truly grateful, thanks a million. Or you can say this means a lot to me. If you want to say you're welcome, you can say anytime, indeed my pleasure, or it's my pleasure. Or you can say glad to help, happy to help, or you can say don't mention it, it's okay. That's it for today. Stay happy, healthy and safe at home and take care of yourself. I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.